Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on adjusting the settings of your Apple Magic Mouse on Mac OS. This will work on MacBooks, iMacs and any other Apple computer running on Mac OS, providing that you have a Magic Mouse. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Start by clicking the Apple logo button from the menu bar at the top left of the screen, and then choosing System Preferences. In the System Preferences menu, select Mouse. These are the options for your Magic Mouse. Each option has a video so you can see exactly how each option and feature works. You can change the direction scrolling, secondary click and smart zoom features here. You can change the tracking speed of the mouse here. Click on the More Gestures tab to change the settings for features you can toggle on and off. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Mac tips and tricks.